Good day everyone, my name is Nathaniel De Leon and my topic for today is cyberbullying. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is the use of electronic communication to bully a person, typically sending message of an intimidating or threatening nature. We always heard or watch on the television or in the social media that some person is experiencing cyberbullying from their colleagues, especially teenagers. And it really hits their mental and physical, emotional aspects. But have experienced cyberbullying yourself. It may hard for us to understand how some words on or text on a computer screen can lead us to trauma. We must be aware while using gadgets because some application can give us to become bullied out us knowing without us knowing.